Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Nigeria government don't arrest Nnamdi Kanu, the Biafra leader. The way they take arrest him never too dey clear. Whether na the country where they na give am to Nigeria government, whether na kidnap Nigeria government go kidnap am, we never know. But Pahitro don't come here today. Come talk about the arrest. Make I leave you, make you hear from Pahitro.
Today I shade up. Nothing as so matter with this so person they kick off, I know what to tell you at all because not missing people not the way river they near the riverside. So man need to what I mean according to Regade boy. Listen, I came here briefly, not be this matter I want to talk for because I still they cook my message for Kisley because as I not saying later for court, I be see the cooking message when I want to talk and I see the cooker. I will talk calm, so I will finish them. That's from the beginning to the end. I take on Europe. I will talk all because sometimes all of us they come social media here can they make noise. Blah, 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 blah. Most of us not even qualified to carry shit for Nigeria before. Just because a Russian carry they come from Libya enter here, they'll come they make noise, or because they married their mother age mate or their body their senses they make noise. So that's not the reason why I come here for today. All of them when they talk to me, they insult me, say I don't respect my old age. I never old. I'm a very young man. To una old, but me I never old. When I remember say I tell you about Nnamdi Kanu some months ago, those who when they watch me, when they follow me, go check this thing. I tell them I say look, Nnamdi Kanu take off from UK, go US. I mean, now the Nigerian government are trailing him on how to bring him back to Nigeria for trial. The reason why I played that music just now, you got a movie here, is an old boy. Elle la gwa hwe. Over here no boy. Go baby. Okay. He was having a very big freedom speaking from the two sides of his mouth in UK. I'm not against him. God knows that. I'm not saying what he was fighting for was not right or whatever, but I saw the danger. My friends, now remember, I'm gonna go check him. I said it here that the federal government would bring Kanu. I say it's two ways. Either he's poisoned where he is, or he's assassinated when it comes to Nigeria. Finally, when they realized, sorry, that was the last one. I say either he's poisoning over there where he is, or they will kidnap him and bring him to Nigeria, or probably even though when they succeeded in doing what they are doing, he will never see Biafra by his face. Go and check my thing. I always tell you guys that whenever I had a very strong information, I don't bring my source, okay? Otherwise, the source will block, okay? So I told you guys. The reason why I came out today is to warn those of you who are, I'm not against Nnamdi Kanu, as I say it again. I will repeat it again. So I know someone will come to the map and they say, this man, they crazy, this man don't start again. No. Now the truth, how things been, I mean, they talk on. Every day, no war. Now riots go happen for some few states from Nigeria, from some part of the east. And they go off all of them. And then people will lose young ones, lose old ones, lose their loved ones. I've heard them before say, look, this fight it no go work out because people were supposed to make am work are eating from their two mouths. Between the Igbos, they are betrayers within themselves. Watch the trials. Even when they now ask for 5,000 naira now to bail Kanu now for bail, no Igbo permanent man will come out again and bail Kanu. Let me tell you, because most of you are betrayers. And all of them, when they fear say civil war come for Nigeria because of Kanu might say, if they kill OBJ, if they kill OBJ, nothing they happen for Nigeria. Let me tell you. You understand what I tell you? So people don't feel understand. If MKO can be poisoned and assassinated, a Yoruba man showing come for the same village with them, enter power and ride on, nothing happen. If not, they say this Yeye Malam when that day, when you can give that June 12 as Democracy Day, they be don't forget Abiola. They like you are not there for this country. What they cannot do, what people never do for that country there. Because everyone out there, they kill her like foul. So what am I trying to say is that the end of Biafra now they see so. You see, it's two ways. Let me give you another prophecy now. The only way that will make these things to go down a little bit, it is continuation of those who recall themselves the Biafrans. It is not time for me to know whether people are Biafrans now. Because not just to carry the video, they talk for Facebook every day. If you know you are Biafrans, let me see 5 million Igbos in Eagle Square in Abuja from tomorrow. Let's see who can do that. None of you can do it. So freedom does not come by on a platter of gold. You struggle for it, you die for it, you seek for it, you fight for it. So all of them, when you make television every day, I pop. Now they carry flag for everywhere I go. Now even though I not get now money, now one guy now embassy. Few days ago, the same people with interview now for UK, everything. Now he collaborate, give a leader to Nigerian government. Otherwise, I don't want to mention the other person when work with Nigerian government too. That I say the same mother with you when he know you well. You know also know grow together. If he want kill you, he go kill you. River when want kill you, he know they know say whether you be expert, whether you be Shekiri or you be Joe or they burn you for worry. If the river want kill you, go kill you. Now you happen to my brother. You understand me? Maybe they watch you. People when they Nigeria when you still work, when you work on this issue, when you get yawa, they do when you collect millions for this matter, they do. This time around now, you see, did they announce to you say, even though they can't do Nigeria for more than 4 or 5 days, no. Even when they arrange for court today, they announce no. This is how they want to treat his case. Because that publication when they give at that time, now make as I say television is showing, they don't say that kind of thing they call it do. People call it hailer. You call it get popularities. But now, according to this girl, this is my very good friend for Facebook, he said that the can't come Zoom now. Say that they put her for cage now, you can't judge the rest animals when they for the cage for there. I say it again. I'm not against the aims and objective of the Biafrans. But what I'm saying that I told you guys before that the way people are taking it is not going to work out. The only mass people when they for another person when they speak for another, now they kidnap like fire so now. So tell me who will be the next person that will speak like the canon, who can pick power. You see, if all of them are not there jail, the movement is not serious. You can't be in Spain, you can't be in Italy here, you can't be in America, you can't be in Australia at your comfort home and be saying you are a freedom fighter. According to Edo Voice, if you know so you want fight, you be activist. You will go Nigeria, collect bullet, they go arrest you, you sleep kiri. Fela do am. Osho whether they do am now. Ganifa Emi do am. So Ojukwu even do am for a corner for say the civil war. That man talk and say he do at that time, but he no fit say it necessary for a second one. When I said a madman, he was the youngest Oxford University student from Africa in UK. One of the first graduates among the military, the most intelligent military man we ever had in Nigerian military. Oxford now he go. All of them when you go Umaya secondary school today, manage pass out, my colleague make noise for television every day here. People that are learned, that have tried it, that was, I don't even see anybody that can even do anyway, that can even do more better than that of what Ojukwu did. Although the difference was that the Yorubas and the Midwesterners and the Middle Belt and the Delta people were never in support of secession at that time. That is the only difference about Ojukwu quickly lost after 2 years and 6 months. So, if una dey beat the drum of war, una go die, una go jail, mass burial, everyday. Where I know say no go get head. Now, when I know hear any European government spoke about the issue of IPOB, now there I know say federal government is their hand is on top. Malami, what he said in the public was different from what he promised himself because it's very soon he will be changed. He has succeeded in bringing Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria. I told you guys, they attempted his life in UK twice to bring him back to Nigeria. He knew the last one, he flew to US. The highest mistake you made never be that, to go to US. Because these are the purport of Nigeria. All businessmen in America, all parliamentarians, all legislators in US has one good friend in the government in Nigeria. You might be talks, you talk say British now colonize us, but Nigerians are more closer to the US in partnership than in the UK. As I promised, I won't stay long. I'm only telling you, the Igbo young ones, when they try to, the only way people we can hear you now, mobilize nothing less than 5 million and say he goes square peacefully. If you try on yourself, carry arms, Now I'm trying to do anything for this thing. Now know. All of the politicians, none of them will support you people. Because since this struggle started, I've not seen any billionaire who has come out and said, look, this thing must work. I've not seen any permanent politicians who said this thing must work. I've not seen any ex-governor who said this thing must work. I've not even seen any Unsukodi Igbo leader, federal leaders or state leaders who said we must leave Nigeria. No. They said they need equal fare. They needed justice. They denied succession fully. That is why I know it's total knockout. I don't want to mention names, those of people who were aware before they picked him to Nigeria. I don't want to mention name. It's not important. We don't use Twitter. We don't use Facebook. We don't use Instagram. There are people who communicate and people get the picture. I'll be telling you guys every day. When I say things here, it comes to pass every time. I have predicted so many things here that has come to pass. I predicted Trump. Now remember, the way I talk now happen. This now the Kanu, this is the beginning of the suffering. Just a watch. All the political parties in the East now, all governors in the East now, a year to election, now only two will remain when we enter APC. Just a watch. Although, with the improvements they are doing now in the elections issues in Nigeria, we the citizens can decide who to govern us. But the intimidation is already going on already in Nigeria. You understand? So I promise that I don't want to stay here too long with you guys. But I want to give a sound warning. I told you guys that Nnamdi Kanu might be poisoned. Either by biological poisoning, chemical poisoning, or he might be kidnapped and brought to Nigeria for trial. Or if Biafra mistakenly get through to what they want, Nnamdi Kanu would not live to see Biafra Republic. I said it. Go back and check the video. It is not a joke, and it has come to pass. This is the end of everything. The only way that will make him to come to Iraq conference table with the government, it is the force, the youth, the elderly, the political powers in the East will show under the agreement of certain rules and regulations. Without seeing 5 million persons in Igbo Square, nothing will happen. Anybody will get brother for Igbo. We want to go riot, carry gun, carry anything, try to do anyhow. Tell him not go because he's going to end his life just like a chicken. That's all. As I said before, I'm not going to be here too long. Okay? I just want to have this take on it before I come back on my topic tomorrow. God bless you all and thank you all. Because I don't get much time. I don't say people would say why I want to come out, you know. I just come tell them and say, what thing I predict some months ago don't come to pass. Nnamdi Kanu has finally been arrested. I said it. Go check my message. Okay? So I'm leaving. I'm so busy now. I have to leave. I enjoy myself very well. We're in the summertime. Tomorrow I'll give the details of what I want to discuss about that guy. Then I go back to the issues that really matters concerning Ewu Merije. Okay? Thank you all and God bless everybody. God bless you all once again.
Now we don't hear from Pahitro. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.